Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
SP ka East Khas Hills District uba Vivex em negasi ulai thu baki bor pulit kidang persyang ting bantuet ya ki Nongtuh ki bala Pynpra ya ka ATM jong ka State Bank of India ha Mawkriah East Khas Hills District hakini ki khindiat sngi baladep badlakam baki la lute palat arpupra point iwei lai lak tingka hadin baki la Pyndonkam da ka gas kata ban Pynpra ya ka ATM USP ula pentip ba kajing toket kadang yat bat kajing don langru u additional SP u bapet bat ya kajing toket ha kane ka case ulo ong bakane ka kam kala bandei jong ki Nongtuh ki bala kham trim ha hakini ki kam to kam them bat ha karukom le kalong thek kum kawei pat ka case ka bala ja ha Assam bat Nagaland uba Vivex em ulo ong ru badan kam bandan kajing etrelang ka baklan namar ba kane kadei ka interstate gang
case in Mawkriah. See, investigation is on. In fact, there's an additional SP who is heading the investigation of this case also. And this is a professional gang. We have seen the similar patterns elsewhere, also in Assam and in Nagaland also. I'm in touch with the Assam police and Nagaland police. The investigation is in progress. We will try to get some clue from our counterparts now that, but it is a gang which is an interstate gang, so a more concerted effort is required. But efforts are on to identify which gang is this. Yes, they use oxyl gas cylinders, and it took about 8 minutes. So we need more all-out efforts.